All right, look, Bitcoin holders, don't fall for it. Don't fall for the rhetoric out there and don't get sucked in and panic. Right now, crypto's down. As of recording this video, it's down 5%. It's been down as much as 7 or 8% today. Bitcoin itself has been as low, where are we at on the 24-hour here, as 62,000, and it's bounced back from that. It's currently at 64.7. What do I mean don't fall for that? Look, here's what I mean. I mean, don't panic and make an emotional based decision. This was and is to be expected. And I'm going to show you, give you proof for what's happening. And I don't think that the rough waters, we're done with it yet. I think we got a little bit more rough waters ahead of us. It's not my opinion. There's some historical fact to that statement. I'm going to share that with you. Hit that subscribe button. Please hit that like button. Let's jump into this. Okay. So here's what I want to share with you. Look, and I love Rekt Capital over on Twitter. Give them a follow. They don't know me from Adam. They're not paying me or anything. I'm a huge fan of their Twitter. Look, Bitcoin will retrace deep enough to convince you that the bull market is over, and then it will resume its uptrend. I could stop there and go, that right there, because people will get spooked. We got a lot of new investors coming into crypto. Awesome. Love it. But they tend to like, oh my God, the sky is falling and I got to get out and go run and hide under my bed, or whatever metaphor you want to use. Here's what I want to share with you. Again, from Rekt Capital. Listen to what I'm about to tell you. I want to show you this chart right here. Let me move the picture of me so you can see it. Move that down here. You see this blue circle on the upper right-hand corner of the video. You see that little blue circle, and you see how it's circling, and you see this is, they're calling this right here kind of in the middle. You see this is the chart of Bitcoin, and there's a little sliver of a quote orange box that is the quote danger zone. And it looks more like a tan box to me, but it's right there inside of the middle of that circle. That's the key. Okay. So now let me share with you what right here. Okay. So look, Bitcoin has officially entered the danger zone, that orange box right there where that blue circle is. Okay. It's entered the danger zone. All right. Now, where historical pre-halving retraces have begun. Historical pre-halving retraces have begun. This has happened before. Okay. Historically, Bitcoin has performed pre-halving retraces 14 to 28 days before the halving event. When is the halving event? Approximately April 20th. We're about 28 to 30 days approximately away from that. In 2020, this retrace was 20%. In 2016, this retrace was 40%. And right now we're probably north of 15%. Well, actually, I could tell you where we're at. Let's do this real quickly. By the way, this is my software that gave momentum up and momentum down, buy and sell alerts, 77% profit. I want to point out my software said it's time to sell Bitcoin before we started moving down. If you're interested, links in the description below, check it out. There's a 30-day, no questions asked refund guarantee. So you're protected by that. You can try it, basically the software for free, effectively is what it comes down to, because you get a complete refund. There's a discount code down there that makes my software about $1 a day. So how would you like to have $1 a day software that would give you insight knowing when to buy and when to sell any and all cryptos, by the way? Okay. So let's see how big this retrace has been from here to about here. Yeah, we're looking at about a 14 to 15% retrace. Okay. That's where we're at currently, right? Okay. So continuing back over here, right there. Okay. So that's where we're at right now. Remember, go back to this statement. Okay. Bitcoin will retrace deep enough to convince you that the bull market is over, and then it will resume its uptrend. Oh, by the way, we've been here before. In 2020, it went down 20%. 2016, it went down 40%. This is normal, guys. This is to be expected based off of historical data. Okay? So don't panic. Don't fall for it. Don't get sucked in and sell your Bitcoin, or, by the way, your Ethereum or your Cardano or whatever it may be, because you think that the world is ending and that crypto is going to crash and go into the basement, so to speak. Me, I'm buying. That's what I'm doing. I'm not investing advice. Okay. So final. There is an amazing new metaverse coming. And this is a sponsored video from 4-Star. They sponsored this spot. Amazing new metaverse coming. Check them out. Links in the description below to them. Again, awesome. This is not your standard metaverse where it's one game. This is a VR-based metaverse using the VR headsets. and where you can go in and watch content, like watch movies and things like that. Oh, by the way, there are games you can enter, it's just amazing everything you can do inside of this. It's been in development for years. There's portals, creator portal, player portal. They have a content strategy where they're going out and getting content created for you to watch content inside of this. There's a picture here that I love to talk about. Let me share with you right here. It's this picture right here. Where is it at? Oh, it's this one right here. So you see this picture right here where the people are sitting in the seat. I saw another image where they had this and they had like this. It was cool. They had kind of a zombie movie. I'm a huge fan of the zombie movie genre. So if you didn't know that, that's what me. But it was cool because you can go be inside of the 4-star metaverse and watch content, watch movies, watch things of that nature. I love that. Okay. By the way, links in the description below if you want to pick up their token, because here's why. On their website, they show you, like, if you want to buy something, like right here, see this? They give you an example. If you wanted to buy the Alpha Leo bot, if you wanted to purchase it for $20, it would cost, and if you used USD, it'd cost you $20. But if you buy and hold their token, it would cost you $4. They're giving people an 80% discount. Metaverse is not launched yet. The only place you can buy the token is in the link description below when clicking on this little buy token in the upper right-hand corner. Okay. When you click on that link down there, it's going to take you to this page right here, and you can sign in, create an account. It's free, and buy your FSTR tokens for this forthcoming 4-star metaverse launch. So thanks to 4-star for sponsoring the video. As always, I appreciate you guys. Check them out. Thanks for your time. Okay. Don't panic. Okay. It's fine. Remember what I showed you. It's going to retrace deep enough to convince you the bull market's over, then it's going to resume. Remember what I showed you. This has happened before. Okay. See you.